Hey guys, I hope you're doing well today. I just wanted to make you aware of our course that is now available. I've been getting hundreds of emails from you asking about when it's been out, and it's now available. So let me just give you a little overview of what this includes. Okay, so you can go to first find it at www.ekg.md. Okay, and when you get there, you want to go to this EKG course up here, and there you'll find some of the content. All right, and there what we have are different options. So what you can get are simply videos alone, which you see featured here. Okay, and that includes about 160 videos, over 30 hours of videos that are not a part of the YouTube lectures that you may have come across. Okay, the YouTube has over 300 lectures that we continue to evolve and add, but these are separate. Okay, these videos are high quality. Again, over 30 hours, over 160 videos of practice, and really to take you from a beginner to advanced level. Okay, so that's what you can have. So you can get the videos only if you'd like. You can get books only. Okay, and the books that we have, you can see them featured here. This is the bigger textbook that you see here. And then this is the pocket version behind there. Okay, many of you like the pocket version, this one here, because you could put it in your white coat and carry it around. Okay, so note that this bigger version and that pocket version are the same. Okay, so you can get either version, and that's the books. Now there's also this new pocket reference guide here. Okay, so we're teaching our fellows here at Mayo Clinic, and here's our pocket guide that's now available, having every code that we use when we code ECGs in the clinical setting there. So you'll see every single thing. If you want to know what left bundle branch block and the patterns that you see, that's there. So that's a quick reference guide. It's different from these books here that you see, because the books actually give you more of an understanding of what's actually going on. This reference guide is more of a quick reference guide. Okay, so you can get those all separately, and you may notice that these calipers are here. Okay, so this course, you even get these calipers. So that's pretty much what you can get. You can get the videos, the books, all of them get the calipers and this reference guide, but you could also get the combo. Okay, and the combination obviously is the most popular one, where you get all the videos, these books, you get a choice of one of the books. Okay, you get the calipers and you get this reference guide. Okay, so you get everything. Now, what I want you to know about the videos, and if you have the books, why I recommend getting both, is because every page in the book, from beginner to advanced, if you know nothing about a heart, all the way to how to localize a infarct in, say, the right coronary artery, or say the left main, okay, you can find that all in here. So all of that, every single page has a corresponding video. So if you open to page, say, 20 in here, you'll find a video for page 20 on the lectures. Okay. Now again, these lectures that are part of this course are completely different from that are on the lectures that you'll find here. So these lectures that we have on our site and on YouTube are all free. These ones that you get with the course are separate. Okay, completely different. Okay, and again, taking you from beginner to advanced. So you can get, again, the videos, only the books, all of them get this caliper and this reference guide, but the most popular one is getting the combo, getting everything, because then you have that all and you can always refer to all of these. Okay, so that's what we have. This has become now the primary source that we use here at Mayo Clinic when training our electrophysiology techs. Okay, and many other institutions are using it. So hopefully you find this useful. Obviously, we try to keep our prices very reasonable just to cover our costs, okay, and keep things going. And now we have this holiday discount that you'll find, and on checkout you can enter 25% off, and you can use that on any package feature that you want. So again, put that coupon code 25% off, and then you'll get that. All right. So again, I just wanted to share with you some of our books, these features, and this is outside of all the online resources that we have that are free. This is more stuff that we use when we train our students and technicians, and I just wanted to make that available for you. So feel free to check it out. Go to www.ekg.md, go over, click on EKG course, and if you want to see the sample of the videos, okay, so a sample video and what that includes, you can check one out. I think we have one on atrial fibrillation. You can learn about Ashman phenomenon, okay? And I just want to reemphasize, the goal of this book is to take you from beginner to advanced, okay? So no more using some of those beginner books that, you know, simply do not translate to clinically useful information. We've all struggled, at least I personally, even having a father as a cardiologist, struggled with learning EKGs. And my goal was for no one else to struggle the way I did. So hopefully this is a step closer. I think EKGs is very fascinating. It's amazing how much you can garner from an EKG to learn about what the patient's heart is actually telling you and other pathologic states. So feel free, take a look at that. I think you'll like that. We have that available now. Again, www.ekg.md, and then go to the EKG course and you'll see that. Now, many of you have already found us on Facebook. If not, go to Facebook, search the EKG Guy. There's over 500,000 of us there that are learning. I post daily questions, so if you want stuff review, we have that available, okay? And we'll be including questions into our course here as well. So feel free to take a look at this. Let me know what you think. Leave some feedback. We're always looking to improve the course. Thank you so much for your support. I hope you have a wonderful day.